All right, we're getting down to the end of the night here at Kendall Cleve Guards at the Kevin Rudd Memorial Pool. Just a few left. Got some garden tractors going to pull. Got a little boy that's going to pull a garden tractor tonight. That first time in the seat. And Spark Nordahl is putting him in the seat of his garden tractor. And going to get him out here and try and make this boy a tractor puller. Pat Heitman, Heitman Tractor. It's been a great day here. Had a lot of stuff happen. Mike Evans made a great pass today on the no joke, the new no joke. Seriously. So it's been a really good day. There's been quite a few people here. Had to had 70, 80 hooks, I'm guessing. Maybe a few more. He's got the green light. We're ready to let it rip. Like I said, first time in the seat, here we go. Not bad for his first time ever.